Hello friends, welcome to Pyramid Valley International. You are coming from the Bangalore? Okay. First time? Okay, come on. You have come for just seeing? No. By seeing only you will get only 5% benefit. If you know about the meditation and do the meditation, you can take 100% benefit from here. Okay? You see, one place is meant for one. You see, for hotel is meant for eating. Temple is meant for praying. Museum is meant for seeing. This place is meant for meditation knowing and meditation doing. So, it must be done here. Okay? I will tell you just within 5 minutes what about the meditation, what are the benefits, how to sit, everything. Okay? Let us know it with scientific reasoning. Okay? You see, friends, for energy's sake, every day what we are doing? Taking food. Okay. Taking food. Today, we don't have the sleep. How it will be tomorrow? Drowsy, not interested to do work. Is it not so? Why it is so? Why it is so? Because in sleep we are getting some cosmic energy to our body, which is making us to be fresh on the next day. How much energy we are getting? Insufficient. How can you say insufficient? You see, this is 1 liter bottle. If you keep like this, how much water you can fill? 30 to 50%. Okay. How you are sleeping? In this posture. In this posture you are sleeping. Though abundant energy is available in the cosmic, this body in this posture can take only 30 to 50%. Do you accept? Okay. So, we are getting only 50% energy in the sleep. That we are spending on the next day. For what? For walking some energy, for speaking some energy, for hearing some energy, for doing some work, some energy we are losing. Friends, all these works from morning to night, are we performing with open eyes or closed eyes? Open eyes? Yes. So, maximum energy where we are losing? Through the eyes? Okay. 80% energy we are losing through the eyes. Now, you take an example of a blind person. He don't have the eyes, but he performs all his duties as we do. Walking, eating, preparing food, sleeping, everything he is doing just as us. Okay. So, difference is we are losing 80% of our energy through eyes, which is savings to him because he don't have the eyes. Then what is the benefit? He is having extrasensory perception. If anybody enters the room, he will tell who he is. If he touches somebody, he will tell who he is. If a needle falls down, he can hear, we can't hear. How this is happening? This 80% energy is passing to the organ whichever he is working. Wonderful. Then if you have the more energy, you can also work without any stress, perfectly, smoothly, smartly. Is it not so? Then what is the way to get more energy? You are sleeping in this posture 6 to 8 hours generally. If you sleep for 12 to 15 hours, can you have more energy? Think over. In this posture 6 to 8 hours. Can we have more energy if we sleep for 12 to 15 hours? No. How say? In this posture, this body can take only 50%, though you sleep for 100 hours. Then what is the alternate to get more energy? Sit and meditate. Then you will get 100% energy. What it does? It enters your body and cleanses your entire neurosystem and improves your immunity level, which is most important nowadays in this pandemic situation. And third step, it enters your brain and cleanses jealousy, proudness, miserness, angry. If all these are cleared, how you will be? Just like Rishimuni. Soft situation, smooth situation. Anybody may come to you, you will talk very smooth. Peace of mind, concentration, understanding power, what else not? Everything you will be getting with that cleansing of that all Shad Gunas. Is that state is required or not? Yes, required. For 1 day, 1 month, 1 year? No, entire life? Then you have to do entire life meditation every day. Okay? And that meditation is very, 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 very easy. Friends, you are asking at what age to do meditation? It can be done from the 5th year of the age to any age persons, irrespective of gender, religion, caste, creed. Person who is having the breath, he can do the meditation. How much time we have to do? Just according to our age. 10 years, 10 minutes, 20 years, 20 minutes, 40 years, 40 minutes, 60 years, 60 minutes. That's all. Simple. Very easy. And at what time? In 24 hours, whenever you feel comfort and convenient. No time restriction. No Guru Diksha. What I am telling you, if you can understand, you are the master. And at which place? Maybe your house, maybe temple, maybe open space, maybe garden, maybe on the hillock. Even in bus stand and railway station also, if you feel comfort and convenient, you can do it. So easy. Okay. Then what is the posture we have to sit? In comfortable sitting. On the ground, leaning to the wall, on the chair, on the sofa, whichever you feel convenient. Don't give any stress to your mind in sitting posture. Comfortable sitting. Comfortable sitting. So, no time is restricted, no place is restricted, only minimum according to our age. That is minimum masters. You see, a student went to exam. What is his pass percentage? 35. If he wants to get 80%, anybody objects? In the same way, according to our age, when you are doing the meditation, if you feel comfort and convenient, you can do more and get more energy. So, at what time? In 24 hours. Maybe Brahma Muhurta, maybe midday, after meals, after bath, before breakfast, after breakfast. Whichever you feel convenient. After meals you get sleep, let it be. What is there? Nothing to worry. It is called Yoga Nidra. While doing the meditation, if you go for sleep, it is called Yoga Nidra. It also gives energy, maybe 10% less. You can avoid if you want. You select your own time. I feel my Brahma Muhurta is better, but you may not be waking up at that time because of some reasons. You can do in the other time. Nothing to worry. Sleep, if body wants relaxation, it goes to sleep. Nothing to worry. Okay. And during the meditation, how to sit means, if you are sitting on the chair, cross the legs, cross the fingers, Close your eyes, observe your natural breath. Natural breath. It should not be done. That becomes pranayama, breathing exercise. So, we should not do like that. We should observe calmly, natural breath we have to observe. Then, you may be getting some thoughts. It is very natural. Mind is there means there are thoughts. You cannot avoid the thoughts. And it is so natural. You will be getting, I am getting, somebody getting, everybody will get. So, don't worry or don't afraid of the thoughts. Let them come. But cut short the thought and again come over to observing the breath. Simple. And during the closing eyes, you should not chant any mantra, japa, or you should not visualize any image of God or Guru or something. Only observation of breath. This is very most important. And in that situation, you may get sakshatkara of Guru, visual of Guru, some God, visual of some your ancestors, or visiting some Himalaya, visiting of some sacred rivers, whatever may come, rainbow may come, colors may come, welcome it, that's all, nothing to worry. And you don't expect this must be happened. The happened thing, you welcome it, that's all. And if anything is not happened, nothing to worry. Just check up your attitude. What is the changes in your attitude? Less angry, less dvesha. That is the change. That is our goal, not experience. Experiences are temporary, but change of attitude, change of your life is more important. Okay? And somebody may get some pains in the shoulders, something happened in stomach, some headache or something. These are all because of the impurities trying to go out of your body. Because of that, that's happening. Nothing to worry that one. It is not a side effect. It remains only just 2 to 3 minutes for 2 to 3 days. After that one, everything is calm. So, it is so easy. And this, if you do outside, you will be getting 100% energy. If you do in pyramid, you will get 300% energy. That means 3 times more energy. Because it's a wonderful construction with a specified measurement and specified angle it is constructed. It attracts abundantly the cosmic energy and passes whoever below that one. And these pyramids may be of any size, any material, paper, cardboard, copper, plastic, concrete, any material, it passes the energy. After meditating, when you are exiting, you will be entering a stores where cap pyramids, hanging pyramids of different material are available. If you want, you can purchase. If you want, you can purchase, and you can experiment in the house if you want. Keep a fruit inside the pyramid and one fruit outside the pyramid. See, after 3 days, the outside kept fruit will be spoiled. It's natural. But the fruit kept inside the pyramid remains fresh even for 25 days. Keep used razor, it becomes sharpened. Because of that only, Guruji has combined meditation with pyramid. Till today, in India, around 25,000 pyramids are constructed on their rooftop and public pyramids for the purpose of meditation. So it is going on, it's going on. It amplifies the energies. If you keep it on water tank, the water energizes. If you keep some seed below that one, seed energizes. Its energy will be increased. So that is the power of pyramid. Okay, it may be of any material. And now friends, what I have told all this, if you want to visually see, go into the YouTube, tap for spiritual reality. A 50 minutes video you will get in multi languages like English, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, all the languages, in which it explains what is meditation, how to sit for meditation, benefits of meditation, its effect on our body, and in zero thoughts condition, how the energy flows. If thoughts are there, how the flow of energy is obstructed, you can see visually. That clarifies all your doubts. And for initiation, inspiration, encouragement, if you go to the YouTube and tap for PMC, Pyramid Meditation Channel, subscribe it and get all the languages, 20 languages, thousands of speeches recorded, ongoing and forthcoming programs. You can visualize live programs also, recorded programs, Zoom sessions, everything you will get in PMC if you subscribe. PMC Kannada, PMC Telugu, PMC Hindi, PMC English, all the channels are open, free channels. And my dear friends, after this, you can go to the dining room, have your free vegetarian lunch, and then enjoy up to the evening. And whenever you want to come for stay, there are very number of accommodations, dormitories, rooms, AC rooms, luxury rooms. You can reserve it and you can enjoy the nature, you can enjoy with your family. Very normal rates. Who are staying, they are provided breakfast, lunch, dinner free. In out of the hours, you can have the hotel food, cafeteria, very good vegetarian food is available. So this is about Pyramid Valley. Okay, thank you. So visit very occasionally with your friends and relations and enjoy the premises, enjoy the nature, enjoy the food, enjoy the benefits of meditation. So please do meditation every day and get out of the stress and strain in the normal life. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
PMC ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿಸಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.